capital means it is going to be the money required for running your company. So how you are going to fix your optimum capital structure? So what is the optimum structure of the capital which I can plan for my company? So this we have discussed already in the last class, but just a recap. So we want always our cost to be minimum. So the amount we spend from our pocket should be minimum, and the yield should be maximum. So that should be our motto in our company. So it should optimum capital structure. The first thing is minimum cost and maximum yield. Yield is going to be profit, and flexible enough to fulfill the future requirements of capital. In case an unforeseen situation happens in the future, how am I going to handle that? So for that, you need to have reserve amount of capital. Okay, and use of debt should be within the repaying capacity. You should not buy money from any institution beyond the range which you can repay. Assume if you can repay up to 10 lakhs means you should buy loan till 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs only. You should not buy loan for 15 lakhs which you cannot repay in time. So the debt which you are going to buy should be well within the repaying capacity of yourself, and proper control of flow of money should be there inside the company. So you should be clearly noting down how the money is flowing from the top level to the lowermost level, whether unwanted expenditures are there, whether unnecessary spendings are there in the company. You have to reduce everything.